number 4 is places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Here we have asked to find the speeds of the two cars, and we will suppose these speeds as x and y. Let the speed of car A is equal to x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of car B is equal to y kilometer per hour. And these two places are 100 meter apart, 100 kilometer apart, and the distance of point A and point B is equal to 100 kilometer. Now we come to the first condition. In this condition, they are saying one car starts from A and another from B at the same time if the cars travel in the same direction. When car A and car B travel in same direction. What it means? Let car at A travel in right direction and at B travel in right direction too, because the direction is same in the first condition. Let us say here is the point C. When these cars meet each other, let us say they are saying if they travel in same direction, they meet in 5 hours. I am supposing that the car starting from A is reaching the point C in 5 hours, and in 5 hours car starting from B also reaches at point C. So we can say in 5 hours they both meet at point C. So I will find the distance of car A traveled in 5 hours and distance of car B traveled in 5 hours, and I will subtract those distances to make them 100 kilometer. And so they meet each other in 5 hours, and I can write the key point of the first condition is distance covered by car A in 5 hours minus distance covered by car B in 5 hours is equal to distance between points A and B. This is the main point that you have to remember. Now I will find the distance covered by car A in 5 hours, and we know that speed is equal to distance over time, and so distance is equal to speed into time. So to find the distance covered by car A in 5 hours, I will multiply the speed of car A and the time taken by car A. That will be, speed is x and time is 5, so it will be 5x here. And similarly, distance covered by car B in 5 hours will be 5y, and the distance between AB is 100 kilometers, that is given. And so it will be 5x minus 5y minus 100 is equal to 0. You can also write the simplified form of the equation by taking 5 common from all the terms as x minus y minus, here it will be 20, and x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0 over 5, and it will be x minus 20 is equal to 0. It has only written for the simplification purpose of the equation, and this is our first equation. Now we come to the second condition. Now second condition states they meet in 1 hour if they travel towards each other. Now they are traveling towards each other, or we can say they are traveling in opposite direction. A is traveling in right direction and B is traveling in left direction, and let us say after 1 hour they both meet at point C, or you can say at point D. And so here we will find the distance traveled by A in 1 hour and a distance traveled by B in 1 hour, and we will add those distances to make them 100 kilometer, because D is in between the points A and B. So the second condition is, if car A and car B travel towards each other or in opposite direction, total time taken by them to meet each other is equal to 1 hour. So the key point will be distance covered by car A in 1 hour, plus here we have to add these two distances to make them 100. Distance covered by car B in 1 hour, and it will be the total distance between A and B. And now again, speed is equal to distance over time, and so distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance covered by A in 1 hour is 1x, that will be x, and distance covered by B in 1 hour is distance is equal to speed into time, that is 1 into y, that will be y, and the total distance is 100. And this is our second equation. Now we will use these two equations to find our required speeds. Now these are our two equations, and first step is comparing 1 and 2 with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and it will be A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to -1, and B2 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to -20, and C2 is equal to -100. And now we will take x over. Now we will multiply by omitting this first term, and it will be -1 into -100 minus 1 into 20, and now we will skip these two terms and we will multiply in opposite order. It will be 1 into -20 and 1 into -100, and last one is by omitting these two terms, 1 into 1 and 1 into -1, and it will be x over x over 100 minus minus plus 20 y over -20 minus minus plus 100 1 over 1 ones are 1 minus minus plus 1 again, x over 120 y over 80, and here 1 by 2. Now taking x over 120 is equal to 1 over 2, it will be 120 over 2 and it will be 60, and taking y over 80 is equal to 1 over 2, it will be y is equal to 80 by 2 and it will be 40. And so our required speeds, therefore speed of car A is 60 km/h, and speed of car B is 40 km/h, and this is our answer.